If you've come to see about how to make high ticket commissions with Supreme Profit Systems Review, then you've come to the right place. I'm going to break it down step by step and let you know if it's a good decision to join and what was my #1 recommendation, if it's this one or another one. So this review comes from a perspective of someone who is not a member, not a promoter, and not earning commissions from Supreme Profit Systems. My goal was simple: look at the program from the outside, gather the facts, and break down how it works without hype or bias, right? Based on public available information, SPS is a high-ticket digital business opportunity where members resell digital PDF products and earn 100% commissions on the level they purchase. The company charges a separate admin fee. Everything in this review is based on research, not participation. So, here's the actual breakdown of how SPS operates. Prospects watch a presentation video. Affiliates send traffic to a landing page with a video explaining the program. Prospects call a 1-800 number. The system uses a pre-recorded message. After listening, prospects leave a voicemail stating which level they want. The affiliate calls them back. This is a manual follow-up, not automated. The affiliate collects the payments directly. According to the source material, payments can be collected through Cash App, PayPal, Zelle, Venmo, Bitcoin, money order. Even cars and gifts were listed. The affiliate sends the registration link. After payment, the new member receives the link to create their SPS account. The new member pays the admin fee. The fee goes to the company. The entire process is manual, phone-based, and affiliate-driven. Okay, Supreme Profit Systems Review 2026. What I found as an outsider doing real research for the products. The products inside SPS are PDF downloads, focus on business growth, focus on mindset. There are no video courses, no software tools, and no community training mentioned in the source material. The affiliate who wrote the original blog stated, the products are going to be PDF downloads. So the value is tied more to the business model than the product depth. The compensation plan. SPS uses a 5-tier high-ticket structure: $500, $1,500, $3,500, $7,500, or $11,000. Members earn 100% commissions on the level they own. The company earns through admin fees, which are paid separately. There are no monthly fees for the program itself, but the 1-800 number reportedly costs $10 a month. So one of the biggest selling point affiliates promote is the free upgrade bonus. Buy a level, get upgraded to the next level, except the $500 level. So basically, if you got $1,500, right, you automatically get upgraded to the $3,500. So now you can collect payments at both of these levels, or this one, I believe, right? Okay. That I'm not sure about, but yeah. They definitely need to do a fact. This is why many affiliates recommend joining higher levels. The upgrade increases in earning potential without paying for the next tier. What has I found as an outsider doing real research, pros and cons? Simple structure, 100% commissions, no monthly fees except the phone line, high ticket payouts, upgrade bonus increases value, easy to understand for beginners. So products are only PDFs, no company-run training or community. Heavy reliance on the affiliate, these are the cons, to close sale. High upfront costs, mixed trust scores online. Manual process, calls, payments, follow-ups. Who Supreme Profit Systems Review is for? People comfortable with high ticket sales, people who like direct phone conversations, people who want 100% commissions, people who prefer simple funnels, and people who already have an audience or an email list. Who it's not for: people who want low ticket, low risk offers, people who prefer automated systems, people who want video based trading, people who don't want to handle payments manually, people who don't want to call or text prospects, people who want a company run support structure. So what's my final verdict? As an outsider reviewing the program, here's the clean conclusion. Supreme Profit Systems is a high-ticket direct sale program with PDF products, manual sales steps, and 100% commissions. The structure is simple, the payouts are large, and the upgrade bonus is attractive. But it's also a high-risk, high-commitment model that depends heavily on the affiliate's ability to communicate, follow up, and close. The review is not an endorsement, just a breakdown of what the system is and how it works based on publicly available information. What is my number one alternative? Okay, if you research Supreme Profit Systems, it's because you want something that actually helps you grow your business. Here's the part most people never tell you. A high ticket offer won't fix a low skill foundation. But the right training will fix any offer you choose to promote. That's why my system exists. We train you and your entire team live Monday through Friday. Give you a generational bonus that duplicate for every person you bring in. So not only are you going to be trained, and not only do you get the bonuses, you get to give them to your people, and they get to give to their people, right? The training and the bonuses. It goes generation deep. I help you grow your main opportunity, not jump from offer to offer. And I give you the support most people wish they had when they started. And we'll even build you a custom branded funnel to promote your primary business. And that training Monday through Friday will help you build whatever business you're building online, okay? If you want leverage to compound, these are just a couple of our bonuses. Not hype that fades. Start with the training that makes every offer easier. And here are some of our bonuses, right? Monday through Friday live coaching. I told you we build your custom built funnel for your primary business. 150 email autoresponder sequence, okay? Simple Freedom Wars excerpts, which is this, right? Do I have it right here? Yeah, this. Okay, so the $7 level comes free, but check this out. You don't just earn $7. Let's somebody goes to the traffic Rolodex, right? And you referred them. $2,000. You get $1,000 of that instantly to whatever payment processor you want, right? So if somebody does the inner circle, $100, you get $50. And some of these things are meant to get like to stack. So like I've had several sales and they're 3 different levels, and I get paid half of at every single level. And somebody buys the duplication formula, that's $3,000. You get $1,500 of that. That's insane, especially for a free bonus, okay? Let me see some of the other things we have. Let me see. The generational bonus and training stack, right? Extra training modules. This exact stuff. This is the gold, okay? Right here, okay? So all this training is exactly how to do everything. It's a video, right? You also, the first thing you do when you get in here is schedule a coaching call with our team leader, right? So you schedule a call, and then he helps you set up your system, okay? Here's the SFW thing I told you, free, right? How to make $3,000 a month, okay? Yeah, this is everything you need, okay? This is the live training room, okay? Everything you need to build your business and build it the right way, okay? And this is how I rank my videos on YouTube every single time on the first page of YouTube, and many on the first page of Google as well, okay? And this is, scary. Let me look this up right with you because I didn't have it open. Give me just a moment. Layoffs. Okay, highest since 2009, with 108,000 people were laid off of their job, 108,435, and there's only about 5,000 hires. Okay, so 103,000 difference. Okay, if you don't think that AI is coming for your jobs, if you don't think companies are gonna hire cheaper labor and replace you, you're kidding yourself. Okay, why not? Not only this shouldn't be your backup plan, but what happens if disaster strikes? Are you ready for it? Okay, hopefully you are. Okay, that's why I always have a backup plan. But this is my way out. I want time freedom and I want money freedom. So what do you want? Okay, whether it's to travel, make that dream vacation you've always planned on, or to retire in a different country, whatever it might be, you need to. It's not going to happen with a 9 to 5, okay? Unless you're like a CEO or something like that, it's not going to happen, okay? Trading time for money is ridiculous, okay? But most people think it's the only way. It's not the way out, okay? We pay 80% commissions, and we help you. We give you the best bonuses, the best training, and the best system for when you join HBA with me. Okay, 80% commissions at every level. And one of the bonuses I did not mention, give me a second real quick and I'll show you real quick, is a traffic rotator bonus. Okay, that means all these bonuses that I mentioned except for the traffic rotator come for you, are all together, no matter you join the 10, the 25, or the 125 level. Okay, you get 80% commissions at each of those levels. But if you join at all 3 levels, okay, I will keep buying you traffic out of profit. So I'll take the money and I'm going to buy traffic for both of us. Okay, and then I'm going to keep stacking as I get more and more people. I'll keep buying more and more traffic. And that's a lifetime worth of traffic, okay? And you could offer the same thing to your people as well. So every time somebody, that's what keeps them in the 125, the 25, and the $10 level. So you get $128 out of, you pay $160 a month, and you get $128 per month per person, okay? And that's what keeps them in that level, okay? All these bonuses, but especially that traffic rotator bonus. So if this sounds interesting to you, get with me. There's a link in the description, okay? So don't delay. Get with Jay today. This is JJ Sally, aka John Sally, aka your friendly neighborhood Sally Man, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.